Gulner, Executive Director, Temple Bat Yahm. I hope this finds you and your family well and remaining healthy. Construction corner number 17. Besides what I'm about to show you out there, which is exciting, perhaps the most exciting part about 17, is it's going to be the second to last construction corner. Construction corner number 18 is going to be the end of this project. Look forward to talking about what's next for our capital projects, but in terms of the courtyard, the vestibule, the furniture, everything that needs to go in here, get ready for you to welcome you and your family for the high holidays. Construction corner number 18 is going to have it all. But in the meantime, let's check out what's going on now. The biggest change in the last couple weeks has really been the landscaping that's come in, as well as the glass work. You can see the first piece of greenery here in the beautiful Shuster Family Courtyard. We'll just walk slowly over this way. Olive tree. It's going to add some greenery. As we know, olives come from Israel. We're going to highlight some of those plants throughout the campus. Your first chance to look at one will be here. We're going to take the classic fast walk to the front so I can show you what else is going on and what other plantings we got. Come on. So all of the plantings that we have are drought-tolerant plantings so that we can ensure, one, it's always green or a different shade of green or pops of colors throughout the year. And most importantly, so we can make sure to save one of the most important precious resources here in California, and that's water. So let's see what they got going on. You can see the two beautiful palm trees that they planted right up front. That'll be right in the middle of the new turnaround section. And you can see the other greenery that they started to plant along the walkway. The third palm tree is here. And as I mentioned, two real purposes of this plantings, one, green, and two, color. We got our pinks popping right here, but know that almost all of these other low-lying plants will also have pops of color throughout the year, so that every time you come to our campus, you're going to see something new. Let's take a quick walk around front, see what that looks like. And that'll be it for Construction Corner in construction process. Again, the next time you hear from me, I'll be without the hard hat and showing you the completed process. Let's take a look out front, but before we move, some thank yous. Thank you to everyone who's out here working. Nice day here in Southern California. They've been here since 6 in the morning. I anticipate them being here till 4. Our construction team's been doing an outstanding job making sure this project stays on time and on budget, both professionals and lay leaders, and I thank all of them. Let's take a walk around front. See you soon.